Hi you guys, it's your girlfriend Jay, your girl next door, so that makes sure my neighbors. Hi neighbors, I am back with another piercing video that I am doing impromptu. I took this piercing out for a doctor's appointment a while ago, and it's been out for almost a year now. And I'm mad because I had it back in, but it fell out because the bra wasn't tight, so I'm getting ready to try to re-pierce it. These are the tools I have. So I have some alcohol, piercings, of course, and then these are what I'm working with now. To be honest, I really want this one in there, and I'm gonna try to put this one in there to see if the hole is open. If I can't, I'll go with this one with this pointy arrow. If I can't get this one, I'll get this one. But either way, it's gonna be one of these three or that one, but this is just to see if I can get it in. And this is like a clamp, so it doesn't clamp, but I'm gonna have to clamp it. Sorry I sound so bad, I just woke up, but I'm gonna try to set you guys up. Rinse everything off with some alcohol. Alright, so now I'm just gonna try to put this earring in there. I already tried putting a regular earring, just a regular straight earring back in there, and it went. So it's been a year. I think I'm gonna have to go in the back. So I'm gonna try a straight one and see if the straight one will help. Okay. I did get this pushed through, and it feels really tight, and it feels like there's something in my ear that shouldn't be there. And it doesn't feel right because it's straight. But I do feel it in the back and the other side. So that's good news. So I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm assuming maybe this one's too big. I'm not familiar with gauges. I'm not familiar with sizes. I'm not a professional piercer. I just like my piercings that I have, and I want to keep them. And I want to put them back in when they come out. Also, I have a hole here, and I would definitely put this flat back. I would put this in a heartbeat if I could, but the lip is too sensitive of an area to play with. Skin opens a little bit more easier to me than lip meat. You see the dimple? I don't know. Maybe one day. But I'm getting a little older, so okay. Since that went through so easily, once I put this in, I have to put it in from the back. My ear kind of hurts right now. I have to put this triangle ball on. So it's got to go on from the back because I can't put the ball on from the front. Okay, I got the ball on the other side. And so I'm going to try to put it in. I do sterilize these too just to, because it's so close to an open area. You never know what could hop off. Is it up in your ear? Okay. Ow. That felt weird. It felt like it was just stabbing me. Oh, again, don't try this at home. I'm not even doing this right. Come on. As far as will go. And see, I could get it in this way. But how am I gonna get the ball on the back, you know? Crap. Let me just try with my fingers. Ah! It went through. Oh. Yes, okay. Now to get this microscopic ball on. So it's been like, what, a year? It's been a year. And I never took the piercing ring out of this area. Something doesn't feel right. I don't know. Something doesn't feel right to me. It doesn't feel like it might be on perfectly right. I feel like it might be twisted on such a way, but not perfect. But it's not like letting me untwist it, so I'm gonna get a Q-tip, some alcohol, and just go down in there. Ooh! And make sure that the area is okay. That hurts. Burns a lot. But I'd rather get in there good than like an infection get in there or whatever. So that's that. That's how you re-pierce. Whew. Okay, so these I ordered from Amazon, and I will link where I bought this from in the description box below. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, write me in the comments and I will be happy to answer them for you. So I was also asked to do an updated video on re-piercing my tongue ring. So I will be doing that next, like right now after this video ends. So if you want to go see that, check that out too. And I'll put all the re-piercing videos in the playlist. Alright, thanks for watching.